Welcome to another unboxing, my friends. Today I'm checking out this food container. This is made of food grade, BPA free. It's microwavable, dishwasher safe, airtight seal, cutlery included, suitable for higher temperatures and low temperatures. It's like a super like universal little food container for, you know, kids going to school or working or whatever that they're doing. They need a little lunch box. All right. So that's cool. Has some cutlery here on the top. It's got these little snaps here on the side. This just opens this up. And look at that. Our first thing, it's basically for like portion control too, so you don't pack like too much. It's kind of nice. You can have, and it separates it, so you could have one dish here and maybe some, you know, maybe some pasta here and some veggies on this side, so they don't mix, your food doesn't get mixed up. Here on top, that's pretty cool. We have a nice little sturdy knife, a spoon, and a fork. So that's neat. You could also put like napkins in here on the top, or a toothbrush or something like that. And then on top here, on another level, we have four other little portion containers here. So you can put nuts here, like veggies here, maybe a dip in the middle, hot sauce, maybe some burrito slices there. Pretty cool. I know some places, like where I work, you can't take glass in there. So this is spill proof too. You can feel it's nice, like makes a nice suction there. So this isn't, believe it's not going to spill anything. All right, so that would go on there right like that. And this goes on the top. And I know sometimes I put stuff in my lunch box and it'll fall off to the side or something like that, and I'll go to eat and it'll be like kind of spilled out or something. This shouldn't have any issues with this. It's well built. I like the fact that I can just pop it in a dishwasher, or I can microwave it, anything like that. So that's super handy. It's nice and compact. It keeps all your meals right together. Sometimes when I go to work, I'll have like 3 or 4 containers, but they're not all full, you know, so it'll take up quite a bit more space. This is really a nice space-saving design for stuff. So I'm going to put some food items in here and show you how that all fits together. Hello, my friends, and here we are. I like that this can hold each individual little, basically meal prepping here. I can have my lunch, I have my dinner, all my little snacks in here. And it's all sectioned out so you don't have too much of one. I like that. That like kind of a portion control here. And I get my meal already, my like snacks and then dinner. Put everything right on there like that. And then I am ready to go. I like this. It doesn't take up a lot of room. Before, I would probably have to use like 3 or 4 containers to take up that amount of space. So it would be, you know, I'd have to have one for my bread, and then one for my veggies, and one for the nuts, and then one for the noodles, and one for the other thing. So it would take up more space. As you can see, each little container on top of each other. This is a lot more consolidated. Have all my utensils in there, my napkin, and it's just ready to go. I really like that. I can just pop this in the refrigerator, and when I'm ready to go to work, I can just take it to work and I don't have to worry about it. All these different containers and things like that. So super handy, guys. Yeah, it saves space. It allows you to kind of meal prep, get it ahead of time. It also has like portion control all in one thing there. So, and it's solid. I like that I could put it in the freezer if I wanted to. I could put frozen things in there. You can microwave it, everything. So super handy little lunchbox or meal container here. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.